In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and print a file from Microsoft Teams. This task is something that many of us find ourselves needing to do, whether for work, school, or personal use. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to access Microsoft Teams. If you have the desktop app installed, simply click to open it from your applications. Alternatively, you can go to the Microsoft Teams website in your preferred web browser and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged into Microsoft Teams, you might find yourself at the Teams dashboard. This is essentially your home base within the platform where you can navigate to your different teams and channels. Now, the next step is to locate the file you want to download. This could be a document, an image, or any other file type shared with you by a colleague or friend. Navigate to the channel where the file is stored, and if you're not sure, you can use the search bar to quickly find what you're looking for. Once you've found the correct file, it's time to proceed with the download. On the right side of the file's name, you'll see 3 dots. This is typically known as the More Options menu. Give it a click, and from the drop-down list that appears, select Download. This action will initiate the file download, which will usually appear at the bottom left corner of your browser window if you're using a web browser. For those using the desktop app, the file will land in your Downloads folder unless you've specified a different location. After your file has successfully downloaded, it's time to open it. Simply click on the file from your downloads and it should open in its respective application. This step is essential because once the file is open, we can move forward to the printing process. The simplest way to print a document is by using a keyboard shortcut. With the file open, press Ctrl and P simultaneously on your keyboard if you're on a Windows PC. If you're using a Mac, you would press Command and P instead. This action opens the print dialog where you can adjust your print settings according to your needs. Make sure your printer is turned on and connected to your computer. And when everything looks good, go ahead and click the print button in the dialog box. Voila! Just like that, you've downloaded and printed your file straight from Microsoft Teams. Remember, it can be handy to have your printer's manual around or consult online help if you run into any printer-specific troubles. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more practical tech tutorials. Happy printing and see you in the next video.